Did you know that you can have instantaneous assembly details available directly on site, right at your fingertips? Introducing QR code tagging. This service is now available to you as an optional add-on with pressure testing and can be easily added to your custom assembly from our online assembly builder tool. The convenience cannot be understated. But these tags are so much more. By utilizing thermal printing and a clear wraparound tail, the QR code tag system is UV stable to combat fading, chemical, oil, and weather resistant to last a minimum of 5 years outdoors, and they are waterproof. The high-tack adhesive binds directly to any ferrule, sleeve, or collar regardless of hose size, so you can rest easy knowing your employees have access to the information they need instantly. Feel free to scan this code with your smartphone to see just how easy it is to link a hose certificate. Thank you for watching.